How to change your messenger profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can change the profile picture of your messenger app from the messenger app itself. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Messenger app to the latest version. You can head over to your device's respective app store, in the search box type in Messenger and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Messenger, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you'll basically be able to see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. So what if you actually want to change the Messenger profile picture on the Messenger app itself? In order to do that, on the top left hand side of the screen, simply tap on your current profile photo. As you tap on your current profile photo, right on the top of the screen, you'll be able to see your profile picture, and along with it you will also be able to see the small gallery or this camera icon. So in order to change that profile picture, you can simply tap on the camera icon right over here. Now you have multiple options to either take a photo right away, to choose the one from your existing library, or else you could also use your avatar. If you want to choose the one which already exists on your library or on your phone's gallery, tap on the second option. Go ahead and simply select the profile picture which you would actually like to upload to. Now you could also go ahead and simply import the ones from your Facebook account as well, and tap on the profile picture. If you want, you could go ahead and crop it along with your own needs depending upon your own usage. What you can do is, after you've selected the profile picture, on the top right, tap on the done button. Once done, you will be able to see that our profile picture is on the process of uploading. At the bottom you can see just one final step is left, which says your Facebook profile will also be updated, but this update will not be shared in feed. So what this basically means is that when you change your profile picture through the Messenger app, it is also going to be updated on Facebook's newsfeed, but then it is not actually going to share to other people that you've actually updated the profile picture, which means that nobody else will get notified, and you don't have to worry about people seeing it again and again, because they cannot see it unless they go to your profile page. Once done, you can go ahead and simply tap on the button which says save profile picture in order to save your changes. This was the way on how you could very easily change your Messenger profile picture in 2022. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.